Well, hi, this is Chase Swift, and in this video you probably have done a search for the formula to create or calculate return on investment. And I'm going to go through this video and show you exactly how to do it. Now, the words return is really the difference between your profit and your cost. So the word return on investment actually helps you with this formula. So the return is your profit minus your costs, okay, or your initial investment, okay? Now on investment, well, that's your cost or your investment. So return on investment is really your return on top of the investment. So I always remember it like your profit minus your costs over your costs. Or you could say your net profit over your costs. Now that'll give you a number, and then you can multiply that by 100, and that will get you your percent return. So let's look at some examples. Let's say you have something that you've invested in, and you've invested $100, okay, but you made 500. Well, what was your net? Well, it's really 400 because you made $500 minus the 100 of your investment. Okay, so that's 400 over your investment. So return on investment, $400 over 100, that equals 4 times 100 is a 400% return. Now, I did this the other day. I have a home-based business. Actually, I have a secondary income. It runs on autopilot. It's really cool. And it's called Traffic Wave. It's a really neat little autoresponder system that I use in my business. Now, in 2014, it's a little screenshot here, but in 2014, I earned $2,527.51. So that was what my total gross profit was. Now, this autoresponder service cost me $17.95 a month. So I took 12 months times $17.95. That's $215, okay? So I took my gross profit minus my costs divided by my costs, and I got 10.73. Now, in 2014, my business, this income source, really, because it runs on autopilot, returned me 1,000%, which is pretty amazing. But I went on further because this is 2015 when I'm doing this, and we've just gone through, this is just early August when I'm doing this video. Okay, so I was curious, well, what's my return so far this year? Well, for this year, as you can see, I've got $834.95 that have been paid to me in commissions. Okay, and for January through July times $17.95, that's $125.65 for this wonderful service. Obviously, I make a lot more. In fact, so when you divide that all out, it's 5.64. So I've had a 564% return just this year. It's just remarkable. And it looks, it's kind of deceiving, but when your costs are low and your profit is high, you still have a very good return. I have one more slide to show you. Just in the month of August, okay, I made $142, and like I said, this service cost me $17.95. So I made 142 minus $17.95 divided by $17.95. Work all that out, it's 6.96, or a 696% return in just 1 month. So all these numbers are really cool. It's fun to know how to calculate the return on investment. Okay, remember, it's your return on top of the investment, which is what this formula is. So I will have a link to my website, trafficwaveforprofit.com. And it's a business, or it's a secondary income. If you have a business, if you have a need for an autoresponder, which is an automatic way to send out email to people that are interested in your business or prospects, all that sort of stuff. It's wonderful. Anyway, you're going to find out more about that in the link in the description of this video. And I hope you now know and appreciate how to, the formula to calculate return on investment. This is Chase Swift. Have a great day. Bye for now.